So, my friend at Toys R Us just got a hold of me, and he said he's got a surprise for me. So we're heading to Toys R Us right now. He said there's something he wanted me to see. Obviously Transformer related. So we're actually about to head into Toys R Us. Shall proceed to show you guys what's in the box and what shall I be buying today. Yes, so we're going in and seeing a few. Alright, show. Oh no, what do you got? Oh no, I want them all so bad. How much are they?
They're $12.99 for these.
Oh, that's not too bad.
And you want to see the case?
I do. So excited about this. I saw like a... Oh, I like it. Yes. I want all of them except for one.
Yeah, which is the one there's 3 of in there.
Cliff jumper?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, that's gonna look good with my masterpiece line because he's shorter anyway. What do we got here? Oh, I only want the head for this actually, but I love everything else about it. I actually just picked up the Prime version of this toy, so it excites me even more to see that one.
Sick.
So I will get all 3.
Sounds good.
Yeah, Heather won't kill me at all.
No. Yeah,
Awesome. Okay, everyone. Here we go. I picked up 3 things from Toys R Us today. Because my buddy had that box waiting for me. Let's see what we got. Keep in mind, right now in Canada, these things are on sale for about 13 bucks a piece. $13 a piece, people. Can't go wrong. What else we got? We got... And last but not least, the prized possession that shall stand with my masterpiece collection. Boom! Wheelie. So all together, these 3 cost me about 40 bucks. That's not too bad, considering how much they can go for. So if you see these, get them. They're on sale. Very limited apparently in Canada. My friend said that he only gets 2 cases per store, and this is from one of them. So go get them if you can find them. Don't pay too much for them. And there's that sale going on. So enjoy, guys. And I'll talk to you later.